Hi, we've got some new Dashcam Tech for you in today's video. First of all, we've got this model from Tiesfong, and that's got 4 cameras in total and a radar parking mode, which is similar to Sentry mode on a Tesla. And also this new model from Redtiger, and that's got full color night view, among a few other nice features too. So let's get these set up and take them out for a drive. We have installed the cameras in our Ford Fiesta. Both cameras have all the standard recording features you would expect from any dashcam, and also GPS, Wi-Fi, parking mode and night vision. Let's have a closer look at each camera. The Tiesfong is larger than most dashcams, but this is necessary as it houses 3 cameras and the radar sensor for the parking mode in the front unit. Its black colour makes it less noticeable from outside the car, but if someone looks closely, they will see the parking radar text as a warning. We don't like the use of grey adhesive to stick the unit to the glass. Surely using clear or black tape would look a lot better. Our unit was supplied with a front lens protector, so we added it, as you could see. From inside the car, we can see how the side cameras can be adjusted. We tried a few positions and settled on this angle to cover both sides of the car as well as possible. The screen is quite large and the buttons underneath work the menu. The highest quality possible when using all cameras is 2K for the front and HD for the other 3. The radar module on the bottom has a switch to select how it works. We'll test this later in the video. The GPS is a separate unit, so it will need to be hidden somewhere in the car. The Redtiger is a subtle camera without any visible buttons on the front. The front lens has a little adjustment to help make installation easier, but there is grey adhesive again, unfortunately. This time the GPS receiver is built into the camera, which is neat. The unit has the interior camera on the right, and the angle can be adjusted easily. There are small buttons on the bottom, but you don't need to use them as it has a touchscreen. This is so much easier to use when adjusting the settings or playing recorded footage, and we wish all cameras had this feature. The highest resolution possible is 4K for the front camera, 2.5K for the rear, and HD for the interior. The interior camera has full colour night view, which again we'll test later on. The camera also has voice control.
Take picture.
So you can say, lock the video, take picture, or 10 other functions without needing to stop your car and do it manually. This footage is from the Tiesfong. With a normal front and rear dashcam system, the sides are not covered. So if, for example, you were hit from the side, there would be no proof of what happened. However, with this camera, the 4 cameras combined give almost complete coverage around the car, so everything should be recorded. Here is the 2.5K resolution front camera only, and the video quality is good. Let's zoom in a little to 200%. Now 400% to check the detail. Finally, back to 100%. This is the interior view. Each camera has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and they are combined into a single video file of 2560 by 720. Here is the rear camera. Notice that all three recordings show the GPS data in the bottom left corner. That information would be important after a crash. The Redtiger has three cameras, and here are the results. We've filmed both dash cams together for a fair comparison with identical weather and traffic. The front and rear cameras use Sony image sensors and have a much higher resolution than normal, so that should improve the detail available when we zoom in. Here is the 4K front camera in full quality. It is the best we have ever seen from a dash cam, with really good colours, exposure and detail. It still looks good at 200%. Even at 400%, we can read the number plates on the cars. Capturing details like that could be essential after an accident. The single interior camera shows the inside of the car well, and also a little through the side windows. The 2.5K rear camera is very good. In fact, it's better than the front camera on most other dash cams. Before we move on to the night footage, here is a side-by-side comparison of both cameras together. Both cameras look good, but how much hidden detail is there? First, we'll pause the video, and then zoom in to 500%. The number plate on the right footage is far clearer, showing the benefit of 4K resolution over 2.5K. The night footage of the Tiesfong is as good as you can expect from a dash cam. The front and rear cameras are clear, and the inside view is black and white because the camera uses infrared to illuminate the car. Infrared is invisible to the human eye, but allow the camera to see in total darkness. Here is the Redtiger. The front and rear cameras look good, but what really impresses is the full colour interior view. The car was dark inside, but somehow you can see me very well without the use of infrared. Impressive. Here is a quick comparison to show the infrared footage of the Tiesfong alongside the full colour night view of the Redtiger. For the parking mode to work, you must use the supplied hardwire kit to power either camera after the car is switched off. This does involve connecting wires to your car's fuse box, but both cameras had good instructions, so it only took a few minutes. The Redtiger senses when the car has been knocked and then records the cameras for a short period. This method is similar to most other dash cams and might help prove who or what touched your car if they bumped it hard enough. The Tiesfong instead uses a radar sensor to monitor anything near your car. Our GoPro is watching the dash cam as I walk towards the car. Without me even touching the car, the radar sensor detects me and starts recording. Amazing.
Video start. Video start.
There are two sensitivity settings, and this enables the camera to start recording before your car is damaged or broken into. The four cameras give almost 360-degree coverage, so the whole car is protected. If you need to park somewhere busy, you can easily turn off the radar with the switch on the camera. This is the first time we have seen this feature, and it works really well. Well, that was interesting. Both cameras were very good, but they had different strengths. And which one is best is going to depend on what you want. Do you want the best all-round protection? This thing will capture everything, and it's unlikely that people will be able to damage your car without getting captured. And the parking mode is amazing. So that is definitely good for people that want to protect their car as best as possible. If you live somewhere busy like a city, that could be the winner. On the other hand, if you just want the best quality possible, for myself, who uses a lot of dashcam clips on YouTube, that might be the way to go. It doesn't cover the whole car as well, but the quality of the recordings and the touchscreen is better. But yeah, that's all up to you. I would say consider both cameras. Check the links in the video description. The prices vary, so check the links. But yeah, that's been an interesting comparison. And yeah, it's exciting to see the new stuff that's coming in the world of dashcam. So anyway, thanks very much. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you next time.
If you found this video interesting, then please visit our channel, as there are over 200 more tutorial videos to help you improve your driving. If you would like to help us make new videos, then please consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching.